Hi, I'm Dan, Lead Product Manager at Milvian. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through Aqueduct, our smart building platform that's helping facilities teams across 175 buildings in 9 different countries get complete visibility into their operations. Whether you're managing water, energy, air quality, or all of the above, I'll show you exactly how Aqueduct turns raw sensor data into actionable insights. Let's dive in. So here we are in Aqueduct. I'm logging in as a portfolio manager who oversees multiple facilities. The first thing you see here is our global view. This is your command center. Every building in your portfolio, all in one place. Each card shows you a site at a glance, and its status, and the pins mark their physical locations on the map. Green means everything's normal, yellow indicates warnings worth watching, and red means something needs attention right now. From here, I can drill down into any individual site. Let's take a look at our Bell 1 facility. This is a distribution center with about 200,000 square feet. Now, I'm looking at the site view for Bell 1, and this is where the magic happens. Notice the navigation up here, global view, site view. As we continue to drill down into the zones, which are highlighted here on this site map, and as well the sensors located in those zones, we'll be able to navigate via the breadcrumbs. Furthermore, you can see the sensor physical locations here, as well as the individual sensors that are giving off the alerts and warnings. The indicators here continue to follow the same color pattern as before, where green is normal, yellow indicates a warning, and red indicates an alert. Let's go ahead and drill down into the problematic alert. It seems here that there's high humidity. Let's go ahead and take a look into this individual sensor. And you can see, once again, the humidity shows red. Clicking on the humidity card will pull up the historical graph for that data. We can see here that the temperature and the humidity follows a very similar curve, with the humidity hitting very high levels during the day. Now, if we want to go ahead and add and see other things like the CO2 levels, which is important for worker health and safety, we can go ahead and click on that as well. And we can see the spikes during the day. Hovering over a little dot on the graph will give us the individual values as we continue along. Furthermore, if you want to drill into a specific day or time range, you can adjust it from up here. Now, let me go back to the zone view and site view and show you our other types of sensors. What we went into was a humidity and temperature and air quality sensor, all in one. We can also take a look at the main water meter. From here, we can see the real-time usage spike up during the middle of the day, starting at 3 a.m., all the way out to 8 a.m. Furthermore, we can see the average daily water usage for each month. And we can see the monthly water usage here, as well as our projected water usage for the rest of this month. So, to summarize, each sensor has its own different dashboards, depending on what's installed and what's watching. An additional feature that's useful is sometimes the sensor might not be sending data to Aqueduct. We can dive into this a little bit more via the wireless survey view. This shows the physical locations of the gateways, as well as the connections between the sensor to the gateway, so you can find any problematic spots. It looks like everything's operating normally here. Furthermore, from the site view, you can also drill down into the utility trends. So instead of navigating to the individual sensor, we can actually go ahead and look at all the utilities all in one dashboard and be able to see our projected total as well. So that's Aqueduct. From global view to individual device, from real-time data to historical trends, from dashboards to automated alerts. What I hope you've seen is that this isn't just about collecting data. It's about giving you visibility you've never had before and turning that visibility into action. Our customers are reducing water waste, cutting energy costs, improving air quality, and catching problems before they're emergencies. and they're doing it with just one platform, from one partner. Ready to see what Aqueduct can do for your buildings? Visit Milvian.com to schedule a personalized demo. We'll show you the platform with your use cases in mind and give you a custom ROI projection for your portfolio. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan, and I look forward to talking with you soon.